Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get my Google Contacts on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get all of your Google Contacts on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings app here. Very first I recommend you have to make a software update to prevent issues. So open your general section, go for software update and try to updating your software. After updating software, go back from here and you have to look for apps section, select that. Then further scroll down and look for Contacts app. Simply select your Contacts app from here, then select Contacts account, and here just tap on Add account, and then select Google, select Open browser, and here you have to simply sign in with your account. So just wait for this screen until it's open, and here you have to simply sign in or log in with your Google account. And once you have logged in with your Google account, you just have to log in with your Google account here, and then you will get your Google account here. You can see I have already added my Google account. Simply tap on this, and here you have to enable this toggle and in front of contacts option. So once you have enabled your contact option, your contacts will be successfully synced or will be added into your phone app or your into contact section. So in this way, you can easily get all of your Google contacts into your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.